welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Lindsay and this is A Little Spruce. On this channel, I love sharing anything home decor related, big, normal house, or small miniature house. And I have a little decor haul for you guys. So I hope you're excited to see what I got. I found some pretty good stuff. The problem that I ran into, just like every time I look for dollhouse stuff, is that because my dollhouse is in 1/6 scale, everything that you find at a store is in 1/12 scale, so everything is just a little small for my dollhouse, but some things you can make work. If you guys are interested in buying a dollhouse, or you have one that you're decorating, they do have a lot of really cute stuff. Too much stuff. I tried to take video in the store, but everywhere I turned somebody was like right there, and I didn't want to take video of other people, obviously. So they have a lot of really good stuff. They actually sell dollhouses themselves there, so check out their website, Hobby Lobby. This isn't sponsored, I'm just throwing it out there if you're looking for a new place of stuff to look. So the name of their dollhouse collection, I guess you'd call it, is Mayberry Street. So this is the first time that I bought anything from this brand. So the first thing I picked up is this little letter holder, and I just thought it was very cute, and it could go in the kitchen or really anywhere in the dollhouse. So got that. And then I had to get some kitchen stuff. I always get kitchen stuff. I think it's the easiest to make the 1/12 scale stuff work is in the kitchen rather than other rooms. So then I got this little toaster with these little slices of toast, and I think the slices of toast actually, yeah, they go inside the toaster, so there's that. And then I got a microwave because I actually, wait, do I have a microwave? No, I don't have a microwave. So I don't have a microwave. So I picked this one up. I think even though it's 1/12 scale, it'll still work in there. Microwaves can be bigger or smaller in real life anyway. So I got that. And then I also got this little vegetable stir fry pan. So I thought that would be super cute. Put that on the stove. It's got potatoes, vegetables, carrots, and it just adds some more detail that I don't have into the kitchen. And I also got this little stack of newspapers. I could probably make something like this, and I sat there debating whether I should get it or not, but it was just so cute, and it was already bundled up, and I just wanted it, so there you go. I got it, and it can go like on the kitchen island, so you know, while you're drinking your morning coffee, you could be reading a newspaper in my pretend dollhouse world. And then I also got this little stool. I actually found one of these stools was broken. It only had 3 legs, and the package was all sealed up like normal, but so I don't know, check your legs on your stools, I guess. But this cute little stool, and it has a cute little floral design. I don't know if you can see that. Again, probably something I can make, but not as well. This one's pretty clean, and it could go in the bedroom, living room, really anywhere. Just adding some more detail to the house. Then I got 2 more things. I got these little, well, this is one of the things. It's a little truck and tractor. So because my dollhouse is kind of like country-esque, farmhouse, cottage, I thought that these would be perfect. I'm going to pull them out because I don't know if you can see them very well with the plastic. But it's this little truck. My puppy's watching. And this little tractor. So I thought that would be cute. I say cute a lot. I don't have a very big vocabulary apparently. And then I always save my favorite thing for last. But I got these little teddy bears. Look at them. Aren't they adorable? They're like soft and everything. Well, they're like they're not plastic, they're like fuzzy, like real teddy bears. So I thought those would just be perfect for the kids' room, or even if you guys have been watching, I have that weird little room that I put the skylight into, and I was gonna make it into an office. I was thinking about making it into like an exercise room, but I'm wondering maybe we can make it like a nursery or something. It needs to be something little. So these teddy bears would look awfully cute in a nursery or something like that. But yep, that's everything I got at Hobby Lobby. So I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 things on my little Hobby Lobby haul. So this isn't really a long video, but I feel like I talked a lot in the last video. So thank you so much for stopping by again. If you enjoy this kind of content, please feel free to give me a like or subscribe to this channel, and I will be posting more and more regularly. That is one of my goals. So stick around, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!